This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Gary Hoffer. Cape Cod on nice size corner lot with detached 1-car garage in rear. Full-size covered front porch. Open floor plan on main level with Olde Charm throughout. Main level has 2 bedrooms and full bath with formal living and dining room and kitchen. Upper level is 1 huge bedroom with lots of storage space. Full-size basement with walkout stairs. Fenced rear yard leads to oversized garage. Close to schools and shopping. Easy access to tunnels, RT 40 and 95. Agents, please read agent remarks and documents on this listing for all contract details. Opens to investors 4.9 For more information, review the details below.